To measure the radius, the subject should be in a sitting position opposite the operator and next to a standard desk. Use the measurement gauge to determine the position to make the measurement. Place the subject's non-dominant arm on the gauge platform. The elbow should be positioned so that the arm is perpendicular to the platform and the palmar side of the palm is facing the subject. While measuring, make sure that the gauge platform is on the desk and that the subject's fingers are extended and not bent. Measure the distance between the gauge platform and the third finger. At the halfway point, draw a line across the surface of the radius, covering half the diameter of the arm. Place the subject's forearm parallel to the desk, but keep the lateral surface of the hand leaning over the radius handrest so that the wrist is slightly raised from the desk. The subject's palm should be open, and the fingers should be relaxed and not overly extended. Take the CM probe in your hand and apply a thin, uniform layer of ultrasound gel on the probe surface. Then pick the appropriate sized probe cap. Place the cap on the probe, pushing it firmly downwards so that it is tightly in place. Make sure that there are no air bubbles between the probe and the inner surface of the cap. Apply a uniform layer of ultrasound gel on the outer surface of the cap. You are now ready to begin the measurement. Apply a uniform layer of ultrasound gel on the measurement surface. Hold the probe with both hands. Fingers 1, 2, and 3 of each hand should be holding the probe, while fingers 4 and 5 glide over the arm to keep the probe in place throughout the process. When positioning the probe, apply light pressure on the surface to be scanned. Press the foot pedal and start scanning. Move the probe about 70 degrees to the lateral side and then 70 degrees to the medial side so that it scans about 140 degrees of the radius. Each scanning cycle should take about 15 to 20 seconds. Perform 3 good measurement cycles. If there is insufficient information, the system will prompt you to perform up to 2 additional cycles.